Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas, otherwise known as the Squatch. I have some footage I want to share with you of the South Fork and salt fires that ravaged through Ruidoso, New Mexico. It's been a long couple of months or so since the catastrophic event took place. And I've been in and out of internet connection and trying to, get this uploaded sooner, but things take time, especially in times of crisis like we are in right now. I wanted to show this footage today to show you how life can change like that.
Monday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's Monday again. And I gotta work. Caffeine in my hand. So I could be the man. Taking pictures of a vacation rental and then turning around later on today and taking pictures of a listing. I have a bunch of real estate work I still gotta do today as well. No caffeine, me will be a better person if he had caffeine. Oh, my English isn't even making any sense. I'm sounding drunk. Ah! I'm not going to show the outside for the safety of the owners. But this property is a pretty cute property. It does have a nice outdoor space as well. It's in the woods, which is great. Let's keep rolling. So I just finished up at that photo shoot. It was very good, very nice lady, very nice property, and it was very well lit, very easy to shoot, so I give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10 on the squad scale. Going to the office to do some real estate work today because it is Monday and I got a lot of stuff I gotta knock out before the other photo shoot at 2 o'clock. I'll take a 24 of the spring clean.
Okay.
And then, let's see, where's the smoothest? There we go. Can I get a chia, cherry, and peach with almond milk, please? And then, I don't know what my wife will want. Do the banana nut bread with almond milk as well. Smoothies, juice, all the good stuff. Let's go. Let's do it. Seven out of 10. If we're going off of purely taste, this is definitely like a 3 out of 10. But in terms of healthiness, 10 out of 10. Shit's getting real, guys. Good. They don't get control on this one. This one's gonna be bad. Son of a bitch. They got the slurry planes going around. So, I mean, that's a plus. And I did see and I did read that they're doing helicopters and everything. Everybody's already on this, like, immediately. This could be bad. Just have a really bad feeling about this. The wind's picked up. It's hot today. It's 91, which is really hot for here. This is not a good sign. I'm sitting here in the Midtown area and, I'm watching the fire, of course, but then I see everybody in Midtown is closing up their shops and everybody's leaving. Just pray for anybody that's up there.
Pray for the safety of the people that are fighting the fire and the safety of the town. And I just finished up at another photo shoot. Ended up actually doing it even though the fire's going on. Driving up there right now, the fire's getting big, and they've evacuated a bunch of areas. Things aren't looking up right now, so I'm gonna drive up there and take a look at it before heading home. Holy shit. Holy shit. There's another one. The other one's over here. This one's right here. I gotta look this one up now. This is not good. This is far from good, but this is really, really, really bad. Oh my God. From the sources that I've come across, we've had to drive down to another town just to, get cell signal, just to check on things and check on everybody. And they still don't know what caused it, either one of them. And they've evacuated the entire village of Ruidoso and the entire village of Ruidoso Downs. And it's burned, last time I checked, it was estimated at 500 structures. And it's just going berserk over there. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's way out of control. And the firefighters are working so hard to get that out.
Right now, an update from New Mexico Governor Lujan Grisham on those fires that are burning near Ruidoso. There are 2 fires, the big ones burning right now still. Started around 9 o'clock yesterday morning. Got some numbers from Governor Grisham as well. 20,000 acres have burned so far from those 2 big fires that are burning near Ruidoso that forced the evacuation of the town. 20,000 acres burned, 0% containment right now. She also mentioned that every resource available is available to fight these fires. There's a couple of their numbers I'm going to throw at you right now. 70 different agencies from around the state are in the Ruidoso area, and they're helping to try to get these fires contained. 800 personnel on the ground battling those fires. Specifically, there's 13 hotshot crews, and their main goal is to go around and get those hot spots out and make sure that they are getting them as much as they can under control before they spread to some of that other brush. And you can just see how dry it is out there too. We were talking about that with Ron earlier, all that smoke too. 5,000 people evacuated from the village of Ruidoso starting last night into today. Many of them with friends and family. Good news there. A number of shelters also set up right now, 10 shelters in the Roswell area. And we have a list of those on our website too if you know somebody who might be looking for a place to stay. No in or out right now of Ruidoso. The roads are closed.
Footage that I recorded was on the day of the South Fork and the Salt Fire, and I did have some other clips of the day after. And then things just got really crazy, really out of hand, and I just stopped recording after that. These fires didn't just burn trees and grass, they burned homes. They took lives. They changed lives forever, and it's impacted our community, and we will forever be changed. As I'm recording this, I believe the fires are still not 100% contained. The South Fork, last time I checked, was at 17,500 acres, and it burned 1,400 homes and structures. Salt Fire reached just about 7,000, and luckily took no homes and structures. 24,500 acres, 1,400 homes and structures. That's how much was lost. 2 lives were lost. Now, after all of the fire, there's the aftermath. The fires left more than just ash and rubble. They brought forth another challenge: Flooding. The monsoons hit during the fire and after, and are still going. It's damaging more houses, more businesses, and impacting more lives, adding insult to injury. Monsoons have brought heavy rains to the already devastated area, turning ashes into mudslides and flooding homes that had just survived the fires. It's a stark reminder of how relentless and unpredictable nature can be. Ruidoso is getting hit back to back to back. All I ask is that you pray for Ruidoso.
Oh! Sheesh! He said sheesh! Oh, the house! Oh, the house! Oh, the house! I want it. I got you.
Life in the area right now is challenging. There's a lot of heartbreak. There's a lot of strong emotions in the air. I pray for all that have lost their homes. I pray for all that have lost their businesses. I pray for those who lost their loved ones and all of the people that have been impacted by this devastation. I use the word devastation quite often because it's hard to put what has happened and what continues to happen into words, and the only word that really comes to mind when I talk about these things is devastation. Thank you for the firefighters, the National Guard, and anybody else who fought these fires to help preserve and to protect what we have here. I know so many members of the community have stepped up to help in this time of need, this time of challenge, this time of chaos and disruption, with all that has happened and all the events that continue to take place. If you'd like to help, check out the links that I have in the description of this video. I've listed some of the many fundraisers that we have that will help those impacted by the fires and help those that have lost their homes and their businesses. Every little bit helps. Every little bit goes a long ways. Stay strong, Ruidoso. I'll see you in the next one. The Squatch out.